What are we going to talk about in this video? Create a niche-friendly freebie that people actually want. Make something that can help your audience. Promote it in smart places without having to spend money. Build a simple opt-in page that converts. In other words, make it easy for people to sign up for something so they can get it. And then actually send them an email so that they know, here you go. Make it easy for them to receive it. And do all of this in 3 days flat. You can do it. I put all of this together in less than an hour. You could do this in 3 days, definitely. Let's get into this. Let's keep this real short and easy. And one of the ways I'm going to do that is I'm going to make this available for you in the description. So if you want this, you can get a copy of it in the description. Just click the link and you'll receive it. And I'm actually going to apply what I'm going to be showing you, and you'll see it demonstrated actually. How do you grow your email subscribers? Well, you have to have a place to do that and everything. If you haven't seen my video, I shared with you on a different video about something called System.io. It's a tool that you can build your website and all that kind of stuff, but it includes a place that you can actually have emails and email campaigns and everything. I actually use that in this too. So how do you even start building a list? Well, you need to come up with ideas, ways that can help people do what they're wanting to do. So if you're on YouTube and you look at my channel, you're probably looking for tools and things that can help you, or you're looking for some information that can help you directly. And in this case, for this video, how do you start building your list? Well, one way you can do that is you can create things on YouTube, like little videos and stuff like this little video, where you can give people some good information that they can actually start using. Think of it this way. Why do people want to watch your videos and everything? If I'm helping you build an online business or build an email list, then you want to know information about it. So here's some information about how to do both. A lead magnet is something that can help your listeners do something sooner than later. So find a problem, a simple problem, and then help them solve that problem. In this case, you want to start building an email list for free or from scratch. How can you do that? Here are some ideas in this lead magnet. So first, find a problem that's easy to solve that you can explain and share with others how to do that. Now, this could be your video, but it also could be a PDF or something like that. Like they can download it, or if they click on something, they can add their email and then get a copy for free. Here are some different examples. If you're doing YouTube, maybe you offer a 7-day home workout plan, right? These are just some ideas. All of this is included in this free guide, and it explains step by step how you can do this, how you can build it. After you know what you can do or share, go ahead and put something together, and then you need to find a place that you can share that information. Well, you can do that right here on your YouTube video, obviously, just like I'm doing here, but you can also put links in the YouTube. When you have a channel on YouTube, you actually have a place where you have a picture and everything. You could have a like, click here or get your free guide on this channel or whatever. And that way they know that when they see it, they can go ahead and click it. Let them know what they're going to get and then let them know what to do so they can get it. So click on this link and you'll get this free guide or whatever. And then once you have their email, go ahead and send them a welcome email. And in the welcome email, you want it to be very simple. And I'm actually going to demonstrate doing this. So in this guide that I'm going to give you a copy of if you want it, it actually explains right here how you can even put together that simple welcome email. And then it encourages you to go ahead and get this done. Start doing it as soon as possible, which is actually why I'm actually making this video right now. I received a copy of this guide. It makes good sense. It's useful information. I want to share it with you. And I also want to put it into practice all the way through. So I have the guide, I understand it, I put it together. Well, before I can give it to you, I need to create an email so that when you subscribe, when you give me your email address and click a link, then you can receive an email. Well, what is that email? It's a welcome email. And that's in the form of a campaign, an email campaign So it's an automation. Now I use a tool called Lead Creator to create the lead magnet itself, that guide that you're going to receive. And you can find out more information about that in the guide itself if you want. But then I go ahead and I created an email campaign in something called System.io. I have a different video about that if you want to know more about that. And I actually put together this automation so that when you go ahead and say, yes, you want a copy of it, and you share your email with me, I turn around and I send you a welcome email. And that's what this is right here, is the welcome email. And you'll receive this shortly after you go ahead and say you want to have a copy of this from the description. I know that's a lot in a very short amount of time, but I want to make it easy for you to grow your subscriber list and everything, and not too crazy difficult. Now, I mean, if I can do this in this short amount of time, and even in this short video using this list, why can't you? Well, I think you can. And that's partly why I'm sharing this with you also, is not only to encourage you to go ahead and take action and do it. Go ahead and get a copy of the guide. It doesn't cost you anything. You learn more about it, read through it. If it makes sense and you can go ahead and do something, put something together, even like a video like I'm doing right now, then go for it. I'll even share a copy of this with you that you can also turn around and share with others too. And that you get in that email that you'll receive once you sign up for it. All right. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions at all, please go ahead and ask me and I'll respond to you. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be sharing information about growing your online business, about maybe tools that I find along the way, as well as maybe even how to use, especially these two particular tools that I'm growing more and more to love more and more as I continue to build an online business myself. All right. Enjoy.